Where? Where am I? You don't belong here.
Huh?
These sneakers, they're all I have.
Roll with me if you want to live.
Wait, who are you? Gee, did my shoes just beep? That's me.
Welcome, my sleepy darling. You look hungry, sweetie.
Spider roll or shark fin?
What?
Sleep now, darling.
Don't marinate, my boy.
I almost trusted them.
That path will erase your name forever.
Time to evolve. Catch it. Trust your feet. Whoa! I can do this. Why do I look like a kid again?
So, you've remembered.
Stay behind me. No, I'll fight too. You're not taking him.
He belongs to the glitch.
You won't break me again.
If I fall, you fall with me.
Don't give up!
Orin!
I just wanted to be remembered.
You faced your shadow.
But what if he was right? One last step.
This is your choice, Tralala.
I'm not what they said. I'm more.
Welcome home.
Thanks for believing in me.
I just wanted someone to stay.
You could have just asked. Maybe I'm just getting started.